Hey, it's Thursday, which means it's our Q&A of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osasero, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we have a question from Kaylee. And she asks, how do you count your macros? Before you learn how to count your macros and your calories, you're going to need what's called a TDEE calculator. That's your total daily energy expenditure. You enter in all of your information, your age, your height, your gender, your level of activity, and they'll give you a number. It's going to tell you how many grams of protein you need, how many grams of fat you need, and how many grams of carbs you need. If you're looking to gain weight, size, and muscle, it's going to tell you how much more you need to eat than that number that they gave you. And if you're looking to lose weight and decrease your size, it's going to tell you how much less you need to eat than that current number. So once you figure out how many grams of protein, fats, and carbs you're supposed to be eating per day, you'll be able to look at a source of protein like, say, a chicken breast that's maybe 230 calories or so and say, okay, this piece of protein has 230 calories, divide that by 4, and that's going to give me about 58 grams of my daily protein. So guys, I hope that helps. Go ahead and check out that calculator in the description box, and it's going to give you all the numbers that you need based upon your fitness goals. And as always, had a blast making this video for you. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, tap that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.